I'm William Dobies from American Label and Tag, Canton, Michigan. And in this little presentation, I'm going to show you some of the places where Automation Direct products are used in our daily work. This is an application using the AccuAmp current switch. It is controlling a small relay, which in turn operates a motor for the powered shutters on this chiller system. This room is basically for storage, except for this chiller, which is used for one particular piece of equipment. This is an AccuAmp switch that is used to monitor the current flow from this disconnect to this chiller, and it operates a motorized shutter. This chiller will kick in a minute. There's a small circulating pump that does not matter about the chiller, but when the compressor starts, it just did, you can hear that. The light has started flashing bigger, and I have a shutter motor which is open the shutters to the outside air. And that is so that this machine can vent to the outside. Once the machine has gotten down to temperature and the compressor shuts off, actually having the vent shutters open is counterproductive, so the switch will turn the shutters back off. This is a TRD series rotary encoder, and it is used to pass information about exactly how fast the machine is moving onto a continuous inkjet printer. The inkjet printer is used to provide numbering on the back of the label, and the purpose of that is so that it can print at the same intervals, the same character size, regardless of the speed of the machine. Go ahead and speed it up. You can't even see it at that speed, but it's printing the same now as it was at slower speed. Dryer motors have always been a problem on this machine, seldom lasting more than a year and a half, 2 years. Sometimes I get a little more life than that out of them. And you can see the environment that it operates in is not entirely clean due to the oiling system on the machine. The original open drip proof motor was a single phase. This is a 3-phase iron horse, totally enclosed, fan cooled, and it has been working just fine. I also have an adjustable motor base on it. It's basically a standard 56 frame motor, nothing special, but since it was wired as single phase originally, I had to run new wiring for it. Durapulse GS327P5 drive, and it's used to actually operate this machine. It drives the motor that I just showed you. And right next to it, I have a SCEO2 contactor and a TKEO2 overload, and that's used for the dryer motor, which I just showed you. The other advantages of that drive is that it's programmable to make use of the faster and slower positions of the original joystick. The speed of this machine can be controlled from 3 points. My latest motor replacement. This is a Marathon 7.5 horsepower, replacing the original 215 frame brush type shunt wound DC motor. This has been working out beautifully. The machine is running smoother and better than it has in a long time. And the best part is, you can see how this machine's oiling system is set up. It's not really a clean environment for the motor. With the totally enclosed fan-cooled motor, it can stay a lot cleaner and doesn't have to be kept clean as much. This is the GS327P5 drive in this machine. It fits. I only had to drill a couple of holes in replacement of the original CMC DC motor drive. Another application where I've used the iron horse 3-phase motor is on this air compressor. Again, the original motor was an open drip proof. It just developed some internal shorts, and I was able to get the iron horse, and it fits right on and works great. Sometimes duty calls and I have to assume production duties. This is the machine that I typically run when doing production. And